All right, drop whatever you're doing because Google just released an absolute bombshell of an update that is going to fundamentally change how we process information. Welcome to The Explainer. We've got a massive breaking AI update today, and this is absolutely not just another minor software patch. This is going to completely shift the way you work, study, and create. So let's jump right in because the stakes here are absolutely enormous.
I want you to picture this for a second. What if you took a painfully boring, 100-page academic PDF, a really dry meeting recording, or even just a standard YouTube link, and in just 20 minutes, you got back a fully produced Hollywood-style documentary? We're talking professional narration, cinematic visuals, smooth animations, and an actual compelling story. Sounds literally impossible, right? Well, that is exactly what Google just made a reality.
And here is the absolute kicker. 0 editing skills required. None. You don't need to know how to use Premiere Pro, you don't need After Effects, and you don't even need to know how to prompt an AI image generator to make a single picture. The AI literally does everything for you. It writes the script, builds the visuals, animates the scenes, and edits the final cut.
Which brings us right to Section 1, the Hollywood AI upgrade. This is a massive leap forward. Now, if you've used the old notebook video overviews, you know they were basically just static, narrated slide presentations. They were useful, sure, but let's be totally honest, they were incredibly dry. So Google completely reinvented the platform. Instead of a boring slide deck, this new update hands you immersive cinematic videos. You get dynamic camera movements and beautifully animated scenes. It's basically like having an entire AI film crew living inside your laptop, turning raw data into an actual story.
Okay, so moving to Section 2, how the magic actually works. Because I know you're wondering, how on earth does an AI do the job of a whole production crew simultaneously? Let's peel back the curtain.
Google isn't just relying on one simple AI model for this. They've built a seriously stacked system. It all kicks off with Gemini acting as the movie director. First, it reads every single source document you upload. It figures out the most important ideas, organizes all that complex information, and then literally writes a logical, compelling story from beginning to end. It's doing the heavy lifting of both a human scriptwriter and a director.
Next up, we hit the second layer, the visual generation engine. Once that script is locked in, Google's advanced visual text steps up to the plate. It creates high-quality illustrations, beautiful backgrounds, diagrams, and visual metaphors that perfectly match whatever topic you're exploring.
But hey, static images do not make a movie. So the third layer is cinematic animation technology. This system takes all those newly generated visuals and turns them into fluid moving sequences. It adds dramatic zoom effects and really slick transitions, giving the whole thing that polished, high-end documentary feel.
Finally, the AI ties a neat little bow on the whole thing with professional AI narration. It layers on voiceovers that sound remarkably like real people, reading the script the director AI wrote, right over the visuals the animation AI moved. So this multi-layered approach makes the final product look like someone spent days editing it, but it all happened in minutes.
And you can feed this system almost anything. The flexibility here is just mind-blowing. You can upload dense research papers, everyday PDFs, your messy study notes, business reports, meeting transcripts, blog articles, or even just paste in a YouTube link.
But wait, here is the true superpower of this feature. It does not just summarize one file at a time. If you upload a research paper, a YouTube video, and your study notes all at once, Notebook analyzes everything simultaneously. It connects the ideas across all of those multiple sources and weaves them into one unified, seamless narrative. If you do deep research, this is literally an absolute lifesaver. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're probably worried you're just going to get generic, boring AI content. But that brings us to Section 3, customizing your AI masterpiece, because you actually have total creative control.
You can explicitly tell Notebook exactly what visual and tonal style you want. You want it to look like a National Geographic documentary? Done. A futuristic sci-fi vibe? No problem. Japanese manga aesthetics? American comic book style? Or even just telling it to explain a highly complex topic so simply that a child could understand it. The AI automatically adapts its pacing, visuals, and tone based strictly on your instructions.
So this is incredibly powerful. But how do you actually use it? Let's jump to Section 4, how to use it. 5 simple steps to save yourself hours of work right now.
It is surprisingly easy. Just 5 steps. Step 1. Open Notebook and upload whatever sources you want. Step 2. Navigate over to the Studio panel. Step 3. Select Video Overview. Step 4. Make sure you toggle on cinematic mode and type in your custom style prompt, like, I don't know, make it a dramatic sci-fi story. Step 5, click Generate. Then, you just step away, grab a coffee, and wait about 20 to 30 minutes. That's the whole shebang. There's no timeline to learn, no software to install, just upload and generate.
Now, of course, this technology is incredibly groundbreaking, but we do have to stay grounded in reality for a second. What's the catch? Let's look at Section 5, the catch, current limitations.
There are definitely a few roadblocks right now. First, access is walled off. Currently, it's primarily available only for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. Second, there's a daily limit. You can generate a maximum of 20 cinematic videos per day, which, honestly, is still a lot, but good to know. Third, it mostly supports only English at the moment. And finally, the biggest catch for creators. You cannot manually edit individual scenes after the video has been generated. You get what the AI gives you, though hopefully Google expands that post-editing in the future.
But even with those limitations, we have to look at the big picture here. Let's transition to Section 6, the future of content, and who benefits most.
Because who really benefits here? Honestly, the answer is practically everyone who handles information. Students can turn dense, impossible textbooks into highly engaging visual study lessons. Teachers can explain really complicated concepts using instant AI documentaries. Researchers can finally present their data in a way that actually keeps people awake. Marketers can instantly convert long-form blog posts into engaging social media content. This tool is easily going to save professionals dozens of hours every single week.
And this quote brilliantly illustrates the era we are stepping into. AI doesn't just answer questions anymore. It creates experiences. Notebook has completely evolved from just being a smart search engine. The era of manual data summarization, it's fading fast. We are rapidly moving into a space of automated creativity, where AI turns flat ideas into rich, cinematic experiences.
Which brings me to you. If you logged in today and had full access to this feature, what is the very first document you would convert into a Hollywood-style documentary? Is it a dense school project, a really boring business report, or maybe just your favorite novel? Drop your answer in the comments below. I am incredibly curious to see what you'd build with this. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always, keep learning.